Hello everyone and welcome back to The Perfect French with Dylan. Today we're gonna learn the verb of perception. So we're gonna see the 5 sense and then some sentences, and then we're going to review or learn the conjugation if you haven't seen it yet. For this week's video on Monday, we are going to see the vocabulary starting with G with 2 different sounds. Either is G or J. So you will learn more vocabulary and you will get better at pronunciation. And on Thursday, I'm gonna give you my tips to learn more vocabulary more quickly. As usual, you can get the PDF for this lesson on theperfectfrench.com. It's free, you just need to download it. First, let's see the 5 sense, and then after we'll see sentences for each one. The first one, écouter, entendre. Écouter, entendre. If you have trouble to make the difference between the two of them, last Thursday I made a video about it. I will put the link in the description box if you want to check it out after this video. The second one is voir, regarder. Voir, regarder. I will make a video about the differences between the two of them as well. The third one, goûter. Goûter, the taste, goûter. The fourth one, toucher. Toucher. And the fifth one, sentir. Sentir. So let's see a bit more about the first one, écouter, entendre. The sense is called l'ouïe. 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 You remember when there is tréma on the E, that means that we have to pronounce the E. So here you can read it like ou-I, l'ouïe, l'ouïe, l'ouïe. Let's see 2 sentences, 1 present tense, 1 passé composé, because that's all you've seen on this channel for now. The imperfect is coming soon. J'écoute de la musique. J'écoute de la musique. Second one, j'ai entendu un bruit dehors. J'ai entendu un bruit dehors. So this is for écouter, entendre, l'ouïe. The second sense today is voir, regarder. Voir, regarder. And it's called la vue. La vue, vue. Let's see a sentence with passé composé first. You will understand why. Elle a vu ce film au cinéma. Elle a vu ce film au cinéma. So we have vu and vu. The participe passé of the verb voir is vu, like la vue. Okay? Second sentence, present tense this time. Il regarde la télévision. Il regarde la télévision. The first sense today is goûter. Goûter. And the sense is called le goût. Le goût. The first sentence. On goûte bien le chocolat. On goûte bien le chocolat. If you have trouble using on, I will put a video as well in the description box for you. Second sentence. Le chien a goûté du citron et il n'a pas aimé. Le chien a goûté du citron et il n'a pas aimé. The fourth one is toucher. Toucher. And it's called le toucher. Le toucher. First sentence. Je touche tout le temps mon visage. Je touche tout le temps mon visage. You know that during this time, or at least if you're watching the video right now, you know what I'm talking about. We are in a very, very bad period of time where we can't touch our face at all. And I honestly realized that I touch my face probably 300 times a day. Second sentence. Il a touché la nourriture avec ses mains sales. Il a touché la nourriture avec ses mains sales. And then the final one, we have sentir. Sentir. Sentir have a lot of different meaning. I'm probably going to make a video on that with all the ways that you can use it, but that's gonna be for later. So sentir is to smell, and it's called l'odorat masculin. l'odorat, ok? The smell. As-tu senti ce nouveau parfum? As-tu senti ce nouveau parfum? And then the second one, ça sent bizarre ici. Ça sent bizarre ici. Ça sent bizarre ici. You got the 5 different ones. Now you will be able to express what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, and what you can touch. Let's review quickly the conjugation that we have seen before. Talking about conjugation, if you haven't got my free ebook yet, you can get it on my website. The link is in the description box as well. First, let's see the conjugation of the verb ending in er. So this is the verb of the first group. They are regular verbs, so it's very easy. So we have écouter, goûter, and toucher. So the three of them end in er. We are going to use écouter. So let's see the present tense. J'écoute, tu écoutes, il écoute, elle écoute, on écoute, link, on écoute, nous écoutons, link, vous écoutez, ils écoutent, elles écoutent. So, like I say every time, only vous and nous have a different pronunciation. All the other ones are pronounced écoute. Even though the spelling changed, but if you remember my video how to read in French, we only going to pronounce the T and we don't pronounce anything else. Now let's see the passé composé. Passé composé, those three verbs are all conjugated with avoir, and then the participe passé is gonna be the same verb with a et at the end. So not a er, but et. So we have j'ai écouté, tu as écouté, il a écouté, elle a écouté, on a écouté, nous avons écouté, vous avez écouté, ils ont écouté, elles ont écouté. The next one is voir. Voir is a verb of the third group. It's an irregular verb. For the present tense, we have je vois, tu vois, il voit, elle voit, on voit, nous voyons, voyons, vous voyez, so y, il voit, elle voit. Same thing once again, only vous and nous are pronounced differently. All the other ones are pronounced voix. For the passé composé, same thing, it's once again conjugated with the auxiliary avoir. And we talked about it before, the participe passé is vu, vu, V-U, U, low sound, okay? J'ai vu, tu as vu, il a vu, elle a vu, on a vu, link, nous avons vu, vous avez vu, ils ont vu, elles ont vu. Then we have sentir, to smell. Je sens, tu sens, il sent, elle sent, on sent, nous sentons, vous sentez, ils sentent, elles sentent. So for this one it's a bit different because the il and elle pluriel have a slight different pronunciation. We pronounce the T. When the first one, we don't pronounce the T or we don't pronounce anything at the end. It's just en. And then for the passé composé, once again, auxiliary avoir, and the participe passé is senti. So we have j'ai senti, tu as senti, il a senti, elle a senti, on a senti, nous avons senti, vous avez senti, ils ont senti, elles ont senti. Then the last one we are going to see today is entendre. So we have j'entends, tu entends, il entend, elle entend, on entend, nous entendons, vous entendez, ils entendent, elles entendent. And then for the passé composé, avoir once again, and the participe passé is entendu, entendu. J'ai entendu, Tu as entendu? Il a entendu? Elle a entendu? On a entendu? Nous avons entendu? Vous avez entendu? Ils ont entendu? Elles ont entendu. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learned something. Don't hesitate to leave me a comment if you have a question about French, about anything. I do my best to answer all the comments and all the message I get. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helped me. If you want to send me a message, you can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, or this YouTube channel. I really try to answer everything like I said, and I will see you soon for another lesson.